2003 Lexus Sport Coupe 430. 42,000 miles. Has brand new Yokohama tires. In amazing condition. It has navigation, power seats, heated seats. Everything's good. It actually has the chrome dip wheels, which is very rare. Alright, we're going to show you the power top operation. Power top works perfect.
You just hold this open button right here. Make sure the doors are shut. You hold it down for 20, 30 seconds or so. There you go. Yep. A few more seconds.
Jason.
Alright, and then it beeps and then it's done.
And put the navigation on.
The navigation, alright.
Hit OK.
There you go. Navigation's on.
Leather seats are like new. Everything is like new. No rips, stains, wear marks. Navigation. Heated seats.
Mark Levinson stereo system.
Mark Levinson stereo system. Brand new tires.
Show them the hood, no dents.
No door dings, no scratches.
Garage kept vehicle. Check out that 4.3. Rust free. All maintenance records.
This is a Texas vehicle. No rust, no issues whatsoever.
Brand new battery.
Brand new battery. All Lexus service records. Everything's good.
I'm going to close the convertible.